Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials and today we came up with an interesting video that is how to use search function in MX Excel. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to check our playlist. You will find videos related to Six Sigma certification and interview tutorials related to trainers, Google Sheet, WFM, MIS, people management, quality analyst, Six Sigma certification with dashboards and reports, Google Data Studio. There are approximately 120, 138 videos approximately you will find and you can crack your interview easily. Don't miss to subscribe the channel. Also check out our shorts. You will find a shorter way to learn Excel functions very easily. Let's start today's video that is on how to use search function. So let's start this video with a raw data. I have a raw data considering I have 11 entries here, but search function we will basically use, we have a thousands of entries. Okay, but this is an example, so let's start with this. I have a raw data with 11 entries and I'm creating one more subsheet with the name of search function. Here I have added just a name as search and one more column I have chosen here. This is just for to create a search option here. Now here we will use one particular function, that is import range to get all the data from the raw sheet. Now it is asking to add the spreadsheet URL. Where is my raw data? It's in the sheet 1, which is raw. If you go to the URL of this raw, you will find doc.google.com slash spreadsheet slash d slash, and you will find some alphanumeric keywords there. You need to copy all those keywords and you need to come to the same function once again, and here in double quotes you need to paste this. Now this is done. Now comma. Now what he is asking, he is asking the sheet name, the range string, which means sheet name. Sheet name is raw. Okay, this is done. Now we will add one exclamatory mark. Now it is asking us the range, which means considering this data, the data which start with A1 to D11. Okay, but I'm choosing here this A1 to D11. Okay, let me again go to this function and I will add after this raw and exclamation D1 to A1 to D11, wherein I will remove the 11, which means the data will not stop. Sorry, double quotes not added. Double quotes not added. Let me add a double quotes again here. Okay, before this D and raw data. Okay, this is done. Yes, all the raw data is visible now. Now why I have added D not D11, I will show you an example here. Suppose my raw data got increased, which means I have added few more entries. Considering a new name like Smith, I have added data for Smith. The workflow is XXX and he joined in the quality score is for June 2023 and he achieved 60%. For example, I am adding more data here. If I'm adding more data here and if I'm not choosing D here, automatically the data will not get reflect. Now you can see here automatically the data will get reflect here, Smith XXX June dated. If I have restricted this column to D11, which means it will not reflect me data of Smith. Now whatever data I will add, it will get automatically reflected here. This is the use of import range. I believe this is easy to understand. Let me give some color coding to this title and let's move further fastly. Now this is done. Now I want to prepare a search function here. Okay, so again we will go to the import range. We will add some more formula that is on query. So in the starting of import range, just mention query query bracket open. Okay, the first is data. Data is already here added here, which is import range and the one what we have done earlier. Now query. Query means we will again add that under the double quotes. Now what will be the query? If you have a basic idea on MS Excel, you will easily get to know to add the query. SCLECT select. I want everything, which means star. Where now what is column 1? Column 1, which means I have 4 columns, 1 2 3 4 as per my data. So always you have to go as per your data. So 1 2 3 4 I have 4 data. The search button should work with the help of with the name of the column 1, which means if I am searching anyone with the name, okay, from the and which is available in the column 1, it will give me the result. This is done. Search where column 1 comma single quote, then double quote, then end, and I will add F2, which means where is my search function? This is at F2. Okay, this is done. Let me try either my function is working or not. Oh, maybe there is some glitch. Let me validate this formula once again. Let me validate where we have done the mistake. Okay, so that it can be easily understandable. So we have added everything perfectly. Okay, we have added everything perfectly. Now F2 is also done, and let me recheck where the mistake happened. Okay, column 1 contain, I need to add it here. I need be in front of in star in the place of column, I need to add contains. Okay, let me check either my formula is working now. Joy, yes, it's working. You can see here when I'm searching for the joy, the formula is working now. Now I want to search for Vijay. Okay, if I'm adding only V, so whatever we have with the name of V, we will get here. Don't worry. See, I have searched first word now. Let me search the last word Y. Okay, whatever we have with the Y, we will get all those data. Okay, whatever we have with the Y, we will get all those data. Okay, let me add Y once again. Okay, you can see here. Once I have added Y, you can see wherever we have a Y, they have shown us the data. But make sure the things which are in capital, that should be searched in the form of capital. The things which are in small, we have to search with the letter S small. Okay, now this is done. Let me give you some more understanding on this. Here, all this functionality, all this search will be working on the basis of this column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, guys. I have chosen column 1, which means this is my reference. Now I am choosing column 4 here. You can see here what will be the changes occurred. If I am choosing column 4, which means now I want a data wherein the people who have achieved 99%, it will get this data. Understanding my point? Okay, let me choose workflow, which is column 2. Now we can easily get our understanding. Column 2. Okay, let me search for column 2. Column 2, which means workflow, right? I will add X. Okay, whatever value we have in the column 2, we will get all those data easily now. I hope this is easy to understand, and the way how Google search work, we have created a search functionality here. Let me add some more raw data here, and let me try if we are able to search those particular things as well. Let me search with the name of example like Jaiswal. Okay, let me add a data for the Jaiswal. Let me search if I'm able to find Jaiswal here. Okay, Jay. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm searching column 2. My miss. Let me add column 1 again. Yes, Jaiswal is available, or else I can search Jaiswal also. Yes, Jaiswal is available now. Quite easy to use this search function easily. So with the help of this search function, we have learned three functions today. One is import range. Second, we have learned how to use query function, which we have basically used in our MS Excel. And third, we have learned how to use the search function. If you still have any doubt, let me know, guys. I will surely help you out with. Please do share, subscribe the channel, and let me know if you have any queries. We will help you in our comment section. Thanks a lot.